ladies, welcome back to the Girl Cave. As you can see, at long last I have found some bedding and I think it turned out really pretty. I was originally looking for something maybe a little bit more colorful, or I don't know, but I came across this and I think the nice cream color, it just matches so beautifully. I love it. I hope I didn't already say that like 3 or 4 times. $130 for everything, the sheets, the pillows, the coverlet. I think it turned out so cute. Little tea tray I picked up at Pier 1 Imports. I think it was like $15, and I had a different purpose for it, but I brought it in here and sat it down and I loved the way it looked, so it is staying there. I still want to work on the decor that's on top of it, but you guys know how I go tinker crazy with things like this, so it will definitely change. I'm here, of course I've got to share what's on Old Best today. If anybody could make a video career out of showing one thing, I'm at least going to give it a whirl. It's been a lot of fun lately. I have been, let me take this off. Been scanning photos lately, and those of you on Facebook have gotten to see them, but I've been going kind of picture frame hungry. These two are both from our wedding. This is one of my mom, and by the way, the picture frames at Hobby Lobby right now are 50% off, so it's a good time to, yeah. Okay, this is new. This is also from Hobby Lobby, and these are also 50% off right now. It's just a little glass tray. I have a couple of perfume bottles on there, and then you can see just some vintage lapel pins, or whatever you want to call those. That's cut glass vase, flowers. Let's see. Okay. I put these pearls on here and now I cannot get them off, so I'm gonna have to do that one night when I really feel like tinkering with it. I think they look fine, but I feel like this side of my vanity never looks as pretty as this side. That is so irritating to me. However, I will tinker with it till I die, I'm sure. So anyway, I'm sorry. This I still keep on. I have to have some cosmetics up here, but what I have done is change it. I really wanted to focus the top of my vanity to just, I guess just that, vanity. I want it to be pretty and girly, and I find that even though I love my makeup brushes and things, they aren't necessarily the prettiest thing to display. Now, you know, everybody likes something different. So, okay, so what I have done here is, like I said, I'm trying to keep all the pretty stuff up here. That's just a little garbage can under there. And then on this other side, there is a basket under there where I keep my hair dryer and all that type of stuff. Now, originally there was a tiny little wooden shelf down here. However, when I was a young girl, I would always put my feet on it and I broke it. So I'm sure it just got thrown away eventually. Anyway, the moral of the story is I put this box down here. It's up at Marshall's, and it's absolutely perfect for storing your hairspray, and you can see a bottle of Kenra right there. And then I put my makeup brushes and my, you know, kind of everyday use products. I intend to get a little metal, like one of these trays here that will set on here, and I can then have my usable kind of everyday needed things down here, and I can still keep the top of my vanity just looking pretty. Okay, well, that is about it. I will just try to keep this short and sweet. I hope everybody has had a wonderful day, and I'll be seeing you soon. Thanks for watching Lacquer and Lace.